What's going on, long man here? I just got something very interesting in the mail, so we're doing another unboxing video. I bought myself a Zhiyun Smooth 4 gimbal from Marktplaats. Oh god. It's got that newspaper covering. And here is our big prize. Zhiyun. Here it is. We don't have the box, the original box, but we do have this nice gray case. Still got some tape here. See if I can get that off. That's one. And that's two. And here it is. As you can see, case is full. Got all the accessories. Charging cable, important. We got little silica gel for the moisture. We got a little stable tripod, so we can put it on there, make some steady shots, and then the piece de résistance, if it will come out the box. Ha. Here it is, Zhiyun, looking clean. Still need to figure out how everything works, how with the app. I'm gonna have fun playing with this thing.
If I were to the sea, maybe I never say forever into the light. Every time I try to breathe, but when you're right, you carry me where I've lived and I have died. So I won't hold back, and you should know that was never good, just had regrets. So I won't go back, oh, but I got me to forget the time I lost, no regrets. Moonshine back again.
So yeah, that was the unboxing for my Zhiyun Smooth 4 gimbal. I hope you guys enjoyed this another unboxing video. Like I said, May is going to be a busy month, so there's going to be way more vlogs, way more of the high quality videos instead of the chill talking videos or the shorts or the unboxing. But a variety of content is good as well. So I hope you guys are enjoying my channel, and I'll see you guys later. I'm out.